welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a painting attempt which is a combination of painting and palette knife finish to it. I'm not putting any stickers like I did for a video in the past where contact paper where I peel it off. I'm going to try to paint on top of the pour. I'm not adding any silicone because if I like it or if I love it, I might want to do a resin finish on it. So no silicone. So I'm thinking I should be able to do a palette knife finishing touch on the painting. So here it goes. Enjoy, and do give a thumbs up and like and subscribe if you do enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Okay, so that combination of colors something was missing in the combination I just tried. So I scraped the canvas and started attempt number 2. This time I decided to add red for the little bit of drama that the first pour was missing. What I'm doing is a double Dutch pour. So for the backdrop, I'm going to have some pastel muted colors as the backdrop, and then I'll do the more dramatic colors on top of it as the foreground. Alright, so the painting is dry. I left it overnight, so it's not fully dry, but enough to paint on it. I am intending, so the flowers look really nice, very subtle, but they add that extra pop of color that was missing from this side. So I'm going to use this piece as the dancer's skirt, and I'm going to try to sketch out a little torso over here.